FMGE is a compulsory exam for every student who has done MBBS from outside India. But most of the current mobile apps available in India focus on NEET PG or AIMS PG syllabus only. There is hardly any app which caters to the need of FMGE students. So even when my FMGE students buy the subscriptions of these apps, they are not able to complete the huge amount of content given in these apps. And the result is that most of the FMGE students end up getting depressed and frustrated. And because of this, many students have to take multiple attempts even to clear their FMGE exams. Let's see why most current apps are useless when it comes to FMGE preparation. Most of these apps focus on difficult concepts rather than core concepts, which are frequently asked in the FMGE exams. Also, the questions given in these apps are very tough and mostly irrelevant for FMGE students. There is also no focus on high-yield topics, which are crucial and relevant to FMGE exams. And these apps do not give any kind of personal guidance and mentorship, and students are expected to complete everything on their own. Now, I want you to imagine a program to help you have a focused approach towards FMGE exam. I want you to imagine a program where you get short conceptual video lectures on high-yield topics for FMGE to improve conceptual clarity. I want you to imagine a program where you get question bank, which is questions of previous year FMGE exams along with relevant new pattern questions. I want you to imagine a program where you get visual flashcard-based notes, which help you to learn and revise faster. I want you to imagine a program where you get personal mentorship from faculty and previous year toppers to help you stay motivated and on track for your FMGE preparation. Well, let me introduce to you FMGE Express program from Medicoapps. This program has a focused approach towards FMGE preparation. In this program, the entire syllabus of FMGE is covered in about 350 hours of video lectures. So even if you are able to cover 2 to 3 hours of video lectures every day, you can easily complete the entire FMGE syllabus in just 4 months. As a part of this FMGE Express program, you will get authentic FMGE question bank along with the latest pattern clinical and image-based questions, which are now being asked in the exams. The notes given as a part of this program is flowchart and diagram based, so that it is easier for you to learn and remember key concepts. And our weekly mentorship session over Zoom will keep you motivated in this tough phase of preparation. First, let's talk about our video lectures. In just about 350 hours of video, all the 19 subjects will be completed. These videos are designed to focus on conceptual learning of topics, which are relevant and important for FMGE exams. We have kept most of the videos short, of about 3 to 15 minutes, so that you are not overwhelmed. Also, these videos are designed to create a strong foundation for next PG exams so that you can clear your PG exams immediately after you clear your FMGE exams. The magic of these videos is that it has clear focus on high-yield topics, and almost 80% of the questions asked in the exams are going to be from these videos. Now, let us explore the question bank. The question bank is arranged in subject-wise and unit-wise manner. The question bank has past 10 years authentic FMGE question bank. Also, not only the previous year authentic FMGE questions, but the question bank is loaded with latest pattern clinical and image-based questions, which have become important in recent years. There are short quiz of 5 to 12 questions on high-yield topics. Imagine you study a topic like ulnar nerve, and now with these short quizzes, you can solve all the 10-12 questions that has been asked on ulnar nerve in past 8 years in one go. Don't you think you will start feeling confident about ulnar nerve as a topic? That is the reason we have hundreds of such short quiz on high-yield topics included in the app. We all know how critical is revision. And that is the reason we have designed special visual flashcards-based notes to make learning and revision easier. These flashcard-based notes have mnemonics and high-yield points, so that you know what points are asked in the exam and how to remember them. There are a lot of flowcharts and diagrams which are included in these visual flashcard-based notes, so that learning becomes easier. And you will be surprised that almost 90% of the questions asked in FMGE as well as PG exams will be from these notes. We all realize how important is guidance in FMGE preparation. And that is the reason we have weekly mentorship session on Zoom with past students and faculty to help you stay focused, motivated and on right track. Most coaching institutes are charging more than 1 lakh rupees for such a program. Even most mobile apps charge anywhere between 35 to 50,000 for 1 year access. However, you can get entire 1 year access to FMGE Express program in just 9,999. If you want more information, you can go to www.medicoapps.org/FMGE.